3 different items, each presents its own unique shipping challenge. I'm going to show you how to pack each one of these up, and then we're going to try to break them. Starting off, try to think that there's a pressure to your object. If you pack the stem as wide as the diameter of the glass, it can now share some of the burden if your package gets crushed. I like to grab some cardboard that is taller than the glass and wide enough to wrap it around. If you put vertical kites in the cardboard every inch or so, you can kind of bend it around the glass. I like to use bubble wrap because it doesn't scratch the item, but just be careful if you send anything too heavy, because these bubbles can pop. I normally go a little overboard on the tape. I feel it makes the item a little bit more rigid. If you don't have any craft paper for this next step, you could probably use packing peanuts, newspaper, or just more bubble wrap. For me, craft paper has proven itself over and over again. It's how I've been sending all of my items lately. All that's left is to tape this item up and maybe do a victory dance. Let's move on to something a little bit harder to pack. Use a thick piece of cardboard to protect the areas protruding outward like the hands and feet. Use a soft packing material like plastic or soft tissue and pack tightly to the statue. Try to avoid pushing the material too tightly against the parts that'll break easy. And it never hurts to remind your buyer to, well, open the package carefully. You don't really need this much bubble wrap if you're double boxing it. I use it for that expensive or personal item I just don't want to see broke. Try to get the paper carefully compressed by hand. You don't want to force it. I'm actually not sure if these fragile stickers actually equal better handling, but my buyers sure love to see them, and it might actually help if you have an insurance claim. So the box for this shark is a little bit smaller than I would like. But let's take some precautionary steps and build out with a bubble wrap so it's even with its fins. Make sure you put the bubble wrap around your object even. Try to keep at least 2 layers between any of the ceramic. Feel around the package. If you can feel ceramic at all, you've got a weak spot. And before we drop test these packages, if you'd like to see how I would pack something else or have your own tips to share, let me know, and you might just create my next video. I really hope you've never had someone handle your packages this way. The packages really didn't look as bad as I was expecting. Sure, the cardboard had softened in spots, and the corners were a little damaged. I mean, I don't think the fragile stickers helped. It would probably qualify as an insurance claim. Alright, the verdict? Will survive a 10-pound block being dropped on it and multiple throws. This one was beaten with a 2x4 multiple times. Hey, you did try to attack me. You saw it. The verdict? Probably more of my blood is in this shark's future. Well, the wood splinters kind of sell the package, but I don't hear any rattling. I think we can do better. Metal pull attack! Ooh, no more metal pull. I think I started out subconsciously going easy on it. I mean, I didn't hear any rattling, so I went a little mad on it. but I needed to see if the stem of the glass broke. This one would certainly be an insurance claim. The verdict? Face clearly readable, indestructible item acquired.